Hello, my people. This is How You Go TV. I watch video where those happy boys they beg Nigerians and OPM to forgive them. I go on Aro. Anyway, sir, watch this video now before I will say something.
Greetings, guys. We are here to say a very big sorry to Nigerians, most especially Papa OPM worldwide. We know that we have wronged him and we have admitted our mistake. Please find a place in your heart and forgive us.
Even if he wants us to come back to Nigeria right now, just to get his forgiveness, we're going to come back. Guys, we are really sorry. Nigerians, please, you guys should forgive us. That the OPM, we are really sorry. Anywhere you are, please find a way in your heart to forgive us. We know that we have wronged you and we have admitted the mistakes. Even if you want us to come back to Nigeria now to gain your forgiveness, sir, we are going to come back to Nigeria. I mean, you took us out from Nigeria to Cyprus.
It's not easy.
You took us out from trenches to this good life. Daddy, we are really sorry.
We are very, very sorry.
Even if you want us to come back to Nigeria now, we'll come back just to get your forgiveness. And everybody in Nigeria, we are really sorry, guys.
Please find a place in your heart and forgive us.
Please.
We are very sorry.
We admit all the mistake, everything that happened. We blame ourselves for that.
Even if the video won't come out, it's not supposed to be on phone. It's not supposed to be from us. That's why we are here to say sorry. You guys should find a place in your heart and forgive us.
We know that we have wronged
you guys.
But everybody in Nigeria, both in US, Nigerians that are in US, UK, Canada, anywhere in the world, please, you guys should find a place in your heart to forgive us. Things are not going well for us. Things are not really going well for us. Please, you guys should forgive us. We need your blessings. Daddy, we need your blessings too. Please, we are sorry. We are really, really sorry, sir. Please, forgive us. We know that we have wronged a lot of Nigerians. Please, we are sorry.
We are very, very sorry.
It's coming out from our mind, our heart. Please, we are sorry. Forgive us. Daddy OPM, please forgive us.
And we won't talk about anything concerning you again for the rest of our life. We won't try it. This is a promise, sir.
We will make the promise, sir. We will not talk anything about you anymore. We want to move further. We need your blessings, sir, and prayers, sir. Thank you very much to Nigerians and everybody who watched this video. We are really sorry to you guys.
Chebi don't see am. For me, I think say this in a format because they sing music. Maybe the music no move. They won't draw traffic for their page, so people will know they sing. One make it come back. Who they send it to Nigeria? You don't know how much be ticket. Two of now to go Nigeria now about 2.something million. Who go bring money back on a ticket? And one if on a come today. Oh no, not they go anywhere. On not they go anywhere. For now, I think say abroad they easy. That time the tag, you don't bomb tire, nothing sure. He won't go back. You know, they go anywhere. They could not do Cyprus. Because I know it's expensive for Cyprus. Maybe child spray. My brother, the man go feel forgiven now, but too much of everything is bad. I wish you guys good luck, but now don't make people to regret of helping people online. That man, as he say need till tomorrow, that OPM is a good man. It's not because of a pastor, he's a good man. He's a good man. We on they work before, be like saying 20,000 salary, then they pay una. This man don't come out una from poverty, send you abroad. You go abroad, the insult person will send you. And this is advice for those guys where they for Nigeria. If I know how many people they call me for phone. I beg, I want travel. Show me where. My brothers and sisters, if you want travel abroad, make sure you are good in hand working. You call ya adege. Street is not easy as people they think. Abroad now. People think say if you immediately enter abroad, they start making money. You know they easy. Some people they 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. They never see 500,000 for their account. But So you with a plan, make your brother, uncle send me abroad, uncle send me abroad. You know they easy. Abroad now I know they easy. It's very hard to see money. And the expenses where they here. See my eyes. Now too much of expenses make my eye. I know they see very well again. Too much of billing, house rent, right? Many bills. You know they easy. So you wait in Nigeria, the hustle. If you want to come abroad, make sure you are serious. The hustle. Here no be child spray. Oh. Share this video, I beg. If you see this video, share this video. Make people wait in Nigeria. No say abroad, no they easy. I love you all.